Hi, I'm Corey Moss with Rave Publications. I'm here with Jeff Beckham, Product Marketing Manager for Blue Jeans. How are you, Jeff?
I'm doing fantastic. It's been a great show.
Good, good. So we're here to talk about Blue Jeans, the company, cloud video conferencing, and the first thing we're going to talk about is Blue Jeans for the enterprise. So go ahead, Jeff.
So at Blue Jeans, what we're really trying to do is make video easy and pervasive for everyone, and we come at that from two angles. It's from a user perspective. We want users to be less confused about video, make it easy to join a call, super simple, one tool for all their video, audio, and web meetings. And from an administrative perspective, when you work with a cloud service, it's really an extension of your IT organization. And so as an IT administrator, you need all the tools and controls to be successful. And so those are things that we've implemented in terms of our command center offering, Blue Jeans Relay, Blue Jeans Primetime that we've announced at the show and before.
Okay. So directed towards the enterprise, because we talk about the different markets, but here at Enterprise Connect, we're really directing toward the enterprise. So tell me about your strategy directed especially toward the enterprise market.
Yeah, so I think people look at the enterprise as being completely different than other businesses, and it is, but it's the same in the sense that video should be easy, right? Video should be easy for everyone, but the difference in the enterprise is that you need more control, right, over the solution. And that's something that we try to offer with Blue Jeans Command Center. Essentially open up our shirt, show you exactly how the solution works, give you the service intelligence you need. You can go in, look at real-time meeting statistics. You can see how your organization's using. You can match up user perceived quality with actual quality. The goal at the end of the day is to make the user feel comfortable that they can use video anytime, anywhere, and make the administrator feel like they're in control of everything that's happening.
Okay. So you're really dealing with the enterprise, the IT side. We're talking about cloud computing. All right, so the strategy really goes from AV, okay, where it used to be AV talk and video conferencing, more to the IT side and IT administrators. So really, how do you shift focus to that side of the equation in the enterprise?
So I guess being a cloud service, the AV is part of the equation, right? Part of what makes Blue Jeans special is that we work with the conference room systems, all the infrastructure that you have in place already, but you don't necessarily need an in-house AV expert to administer the service to make it successful. And so that's why we tend to talk to a director of collaboration or someone that's responsible for all the communication tools at a company and making that successful for everyone.
All right, so let's talk about real-time video for business, meetings, conversations, events, and experiences.
So, what we're really trying to do is offer real-time video for every use case. Meetings, events, conversations, experiences. So we have our core product. We call it Blue Jeans Meetings. It's meant for your everyday business meeting where you can have anywhere from 2 to 100 people in a meeting. It could be for team check-in. It could be a training session. It could be a vendor call. Anything that you could imagine using video for. And then we also have a new event service for interactive online events. It takes our flagship video capabilities but extends them to thousands of people so that you can have an even larger training session, a town hall, a webcast, and use the video that Blue Jeans is known for to truly make it engaging, but at the same time, give everyone a voice, let everyone participate. So the key features for us are, A, it's the video that you deliver, but also the audience can participate. We were the first ones to introduce the ability to switch roles from one-way to two-way within the meeting. So you can watch, let's say, a town hall within your browser. Nobody can see or hear you by design because you just want to sit there and watch the CEO talk. But if you say, hey, I'm based out in New York, the CEO's in California, I want him to see my face, I want to ask a question in Q&A time, you can raise your hand within the meeting and you can say, I want to go live. The moderator can approach you in and you can ask a question. No one else is doing that, and the feedback that we've gotten so far is tremendous in that you're really adding a level of interactivity that didn't exist before.
So, in terms of real-time video for business, okay, it says schedule and join with ease. No hardware to manage or install or manage, which is obviously very big. Video, audio, web, all in one, which I believe you took care of and covered. Room, desktop, and mobile. So, obviously, on the no hardware to install or manage, that's very simple. But when we talk about room, desktop, mobile, the big play in the enterprise obviously now is all three, but really toward mobility and BYOD. So why don't you tell me a little bit about strategy to that as well?
As far as mobility goes, that's one of the big bets that our company made when we started. Is we believe, number one, that the face is one of the most important tools of business, and that's why we work with video conferencing. We believe the cloud was going to be pervasive. That's happening. And then the last thing is mobility, just this idea of globalization where people can work anytime from anywhere. And so mobile devices are part of the story, but even the larger story beyond that is that I want to work from a coffee shop. Maybe I have my computer, maybe I have my phone, maybe I have my iPad, and we're trying to make it super easy for everyone to join on any device at any time, anywhere, no matter where they are. And then what we're looking to do in the future is make it super convenient and simple to join and switch devices with meetings. So you should be able to be in a conference room. The meeting's up on the screen, but you can view content on your mobile device. You can take it over to your desk. You can switch spots, make it super easy for everyone.
Okay. And in the enterprise, there are different ways of collaborating at this point. Collaboration is a very, very big deal, becoming a bigger deal. Give me your assessment right now on, obviously there's still a lot of hardware out there. There are still, they request hardware. What do you say to the enterprise in really looking at, the cloud video conferencing collaboration? What are the advantages to it at this point instead of building more hardware into the infrastructure? What do you have to say to that?
I think the cloud is starting to really speak for itself. It's not just companies like Blue Jeans that are having success. It's companies like Salesforce. It's companies like Workday. And over time, enterprises are starting to feel more comfortable with the cloud. Video just seems like the next step. Is you don't want to have to manage a box on your network. It's super complicated, it's a pain, and it's expensive. Blue Jeans makes that easy for you. We built the world's largest bridge in the cloud, right? You can outsource those capabilities to a vendor like us that's proven in the space, that works with Fortune 100, Fortune 5,000, and SMBs and any kind of company out there. And really trust us that we're going to make communication easy, and we're essentially going to be an extension of your internal IT capabilities. We're someone that you can trust to deliver video, but at the same time you have the visibility and control that you need on your end.
And again, with the video conferencing space, collaboration, I think over the last, I know you've been around since when? 2009, was it?
Yep, we were founded in 2009 and launched our product in 2011.
Okay, so, you've been around a little longer than most of the other players out there, so you've become a little more entrenched in the market. Where do you see yourselves at this point versus, most of the companies that are out there in the video conferencing collaboration space?
We see ourselves as the leader in the cloud video conferencing space simply because we were kind of the guys that pioneered it in the first place. Back in 2009, 2011, we got laughed at, video in the cloud, right? Now it's going that way, and we had a head start on everyone else. And we've used the past 4 years just to iterate and make our product better every day, every hour, talking to customers, getting their input, trying to lead the way in terms of features. Just speaking to our personal growth, in 2013 we grew 500% in terms of meetings and minutes. Last year we quadrupled again. So things are going upwards for us, and we like the position as the incumbent, people with the target on us, but we're using it just to make the market better and make the technology better for the companies that we serve.
Very good. All right, well, that's Blue Jeans. We're here at Enterprise Connect. Definitely check out more. Where can they find out more, Jeff?
Just head over to bluejeans.com. Check us out. And we offer a 14-day free trial if you want to get your hands on the service and give it a run.
All right. So, again, Blue Jeans here at Enterprise Connect. Thank you very much for taking the time, Jeff.
Thank you.